Ibrahim al-Faqi was an Egyptian author, motivational speaker, and expert in the field of human development. He is widely known for his lectures and books on self-improvement, positive thinking, and personal development, blending Eastern philosophies with modern psychological practices. His speeches often focused on topics like 1. Don't allow anyone to break your self-confidence. Al-Faqi stressed the importance of self-confidence in achieving success. He often said that the way we see ourselves defines our future. He encouraged people to be proud of who they are and not let external criticism shake their self-esteem. 2. You must embrace challenges. They are the key to success. Al-Faqi believed that challenges and obstacles are an integral part of life. He taught that facing them head-on is essential for growth and personal development. In his view, challenges are opportunities in disguise, and they help shape one's character. 3. Positive thoughts lead to a positive life. He was a strong advocate of positive thinking. He taught that our thoughts directly influence our emotions and actions. If you want to lead a successful and happy life, it starts with changing how you think about yourself and your circumstances. 4. The past is gone, and the future is not yet here. Live in the present. Al-Faqi often emphasized mindfulness and living in the present moment. He believed that dwelling too much on past mistakes or future anxieties can rob us of joy and productivity. By focusing on the now, we can make the most of the opportunities in front of us. 5. Happiness is an inside job. He taught that happiness comes from within. External achievements or material possessions alone will not bring long-lasting happiness. Instead, it's cultivating inner peace, contentment, and gratitude that leads to a fulfilling life. 6. Success is not by chance, it's by choice. Al-Faqi believed that success is a result of deliberate effort. He rejected the idea that some people are just lucky, and instead encouraged taking control of one's life through purposeful actions, discipline, and hard work. Failure is an event, not a person. He was known for helping people reframe their relationship with failure. According to him, failing at something does not make you a failure as a person. Instead, failure is an opportunity to learn, improve, and try again. 7. Change your life by changing your habits. Al-Faqi strongly emphasized the power of habits in shaping one's life. 8. On personal power, you are not responsible for the circumstances that happen to you, but you are completely responsible for how you react to them. Al-Faqi emphasized the importance of taking control of one's own reactions, highlighting that we may not control events, but we can always control our mindset. 9. On change. Your life does not get better by chance. It gets better by change. He taught that personal development is a choice and requires active engagement. Waiting for things to improve on their own is futile. Intentional change is the key. 10. On the power of the subconscious mind. What you focus on expands, so focus on what you want and not on what you fear. Ibrahim al-Faqi believed in the tremendous power of the subconscious mind and how our focus shapes our reality. By directing our thoughts towards positivity, we open ourselves to better outcomes. 11th, on success. Success is not only about having the ability, but it is about having the willingness and commitment to put that ability to use. He explained that success is not merely a function of talent or skill, but of persistence, determination, and consistent effort. 12th, on optimism. An optimist sees an opportunity in every difficulty, while a pessimist sees a difficulty in every opportunity. Al-Faqi encouraged an optimistic mindset, teaching that how we interpret challenges can either empower or weaken us. 13. On failure. Do not be afraid of failure. Failure is an essential step toward success. He often reminded people that failure is not the opposite of success, but part of the process. Learning from mistakes is how we grow and eventually achieve our goals. 14. On gratitude. The more grateful you are, the more life gives you to be grateful for. Al-Faqi highlighted the importance of gratitude as a tool for attracting abundance and improving one's life. He believed that being thankful for what you have opens doors for greater blessings. 15. On courage. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act in spite of it. He believed that true courage lies in confronting fears and challenges rather than avoiding them. Success comes to those who act in the face of fear. Al-Faqi's teachings resonate with principles of self-empowerment, discipline, and the power of thought, inspiring individuals to create positive change in their lives.